in the caddy.
He's gonna go clean his water.
The cat's afraid of water. No.
Okay.
He doesn't like water.
Okay, water phobic. Next thing your paws? That's okay, that's it. I know. I'm not torturing you, I love you. That's okay, that's all. That's it, good boy. Good boy. What's happening to his sister?
She's just trying.
Okay,
She
that's
thinks
it.
she's been kidnapped.
Yeah, right.
By the way, this is a video of what not to do when you get a kitten.
That's okay, sweetheart.
She's here. She's looking for her brother.
She has such anxiety. That's all I wanted to do. You're all clean up now. Can I get a kiss?
Near the cat. Now you gotta do the other one.
Oh, she's gonna rip me to shreds. Here. Now you're all cleaned up.
Until next time.
If you do this again, you're gonna go see the bathroom again. So don't mess with me.